Hey there, how's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw. Today we're going to go over how to draw a Super Smash Bros. Character and Nintendo character, Luma. Luma is the little sidekick of Rosalina, and she was in Mario Galaxy. Cute little star character. I'm going to go through it step by step for you to follow. If you're a beginner, this is perfect. I'm just going to be using a marker, a regular Crayola Magic marker, so any markers will do. So let's go through it. It'll be really fast, so pay attention. So I'm going to start with a curve, a pretty large curve for the front of Luma. I'm going to go down, not complete that line entirely, but I'm going to throw a little kind of dot like nub for a foot. I'm going to continue that circular motion right there, and I'm going to go into the other foot, which is another little nub, and I'm going to continue that, and it's going to come up to a tiered, kind of like a drop shape, a little bit at the top there. It's a little nub at the top for the head. Going down. Little nub for the arm. And then the far arm. It's supposed to be a star. A cute star. So now that you have that, it's pretty well established. I'm going to draw a circle for the far side eye. And it's going to be kind of an egg-shaped circle. And then the one up close here as well. Shade that in except for a little circle for the highlight. And then fill that in. And believe it or not, you're done. That's it. There's no mouth. That is Luma. I'm gonna thicken the line just a tad around the outside. Excuse me, I have a bit of a cold, sore throat. Kind of thickening the outside line contour. And that's pretty much it, guys. I really hoped you found that very easy. It is super, super simple to do that. You can do this. I understand that, maybe you might have some sensitivity to drawing lines as you perceive it, perfectly, but it's really easy. You just do it over and over again, and through time, you'll really come up with that. Thank you so much for following. I want to encourage you to like if you liked the video, how short it was. If you found it easy to kind of see it and digest it, share it. And also don't forget the cute drawing ebook I'm going to have. I have in the description. It is 10 pages on how to draw anything cute. It's got a lot of good, reviews from it. So thank you so much, guys, and I appreciate it. And I will talk to you in the next video.